Welcome to this IT consultancy firm called Mobitech. We are trying to define this program whereby you should be able to choose either USA or in Kenya, any state or a city that has more population than the other. So you should have the define in the menu whereby you should define the main where you choose between Kenya, which has Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, Eldoret, Kehancha, Ruiru, Kikuyu, Kangundo, and Malindi. And in USA, you have New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Austin, Philadelphia, Phoenix, San Antonio, San Diego, Dallas, and San Jose. Okay, here you should print the first should be Nairobi because it has more population than Mombasa, then Kisumu, Nakuru, Eldoret, Kehancha, Ruiru, Kikuyu, Kangundo, Malindi. And then after Malindi, it exit, whereby you should exit and start the USA states, where you have New York as number one. Number two is Los Angeles. We have Chicago. We have Houston. We have Philadelphia. We have Phoenix, San Antonio, San Diego, Dallas, San Jose. After San Jose, should exit, whereby the string choice should have an input whereby one is for Nairobi, two is for Mombasa, three is for Nakuru, three is for Kisumu, sorry, then four is for Nakuru, five Eldoret, six Kehancha, seven Ruiru, and eight is Kikuyu, nine is Kangundo, 10 is Malindi. Then thereafter the integer should be string choice, whereby that's what you should print. Then here, by handling the Kenyan cities, you should have to write the file which has the Kenyan cities. Here the string file, we should have a Nairobi.txt. Then you should save the Nairobi cities, which has to count for city, county, and population. Then the file itself should open the string file. Then file write should have to choose city, county, and population. Then by reading Kenyan file, the file should read Nairobi, and when you open the string file, in the string file it should have a city, population, and then the line splits itself. Then it should print the city, then county, and then float a population. Okay, menu for Kenya is that Kenyan data of the cities. Then you choose an option below, add a city, whereby it prompts you to view the cities. After viewing the cities, you should be able to know the most populated and the least populated cities. And then there, number four, you should print whether it's over 500 people. And then the string choice should have an input whereby when you choose an option from the above menu, it gives you the output. So by using the input into Kenyan cities, if you choose one, either the city itself should have an input of the city like Nairobi, whereby the Nairobi, if you enter Nairobi, it gives you the county. Then after entering the county of Nairobi, it gives you the population, whereby it should have a population in string form. And then thereafter you should save this Nairobi into city, county, and population. Population should be string. Then by reading the list of Kenyan data, like choose number two, should read Mombasa, whereby by finding the most and the least populated country or cities, when you choose three, should give you the conversion of numerals, whereby it's below the first one. Then give an exception and then returns. When it returns and it's false, you know the number is above the chosen one to be number one. And then the number should have a float, whereby the minimum should be not be below the number given above, and the maximum should not exceed a billion. or if the numbers has maximum numbers, it is a string whereby we can instruct the program not to give you the number if it exceeds the one stated above there. So by finding the cities in Kenya with more than 500 people in population, when you choose 4, you know the 4 is the lowest, so it gives you the outcome itself. Then by prompting the user for further action by saying print city and population, and it give you the population of a certain city. At the same time, it's going to give you a population in string form. Okay, then here, when you choose to input the string for USA, whereby the first is New York, second Los Angeles, third we have Chicago, fourth we have Houston, five we have Philadelphia, six we have Phoenix, seven we have San Antonio, eight we have San Diego, nine we have Dallas, and 10 we have San Jose. So if by handling the data in USA cities, if you choose one, New York, it gives you the outcome as we have stated in the one for Kenya. We have Nairobi. The same programs runs in this acquisition of population and county in USA. Basically, counties in USA is called states. Uh, then we select the input. We use the above, which has more than 1 billion, and it gives you the outcome. Basically, by entering the city and county population, it gives you the population in concurrence with what you instruct to do for you. Then here is just the same as what you have done in for Nairobi. Then when you select to perform the task, either it give you yes or no. Yes is Y, then we have N for no. If the next N or next is small n, it returns to the main. Remember, you should have to select another different state or a county so that we give you the correct information. When you enter the Nairobi text, the number list it gives you is for line in text file. Then when you the number list is less, you should append. When you're appending, it add the line split. For example, in E, number list print E, it add the E text file and then it should close. By defining the minimum number list, it's returned to the minimum. Basically, the maximum also give you a maximum in range as 300,000. Then it should print the least populated cities in is the minimum number list, and the most populated city is the maximum number list. Up to there, the program runs to exit, whereby you should be able to know the least populated city and the most populated city. From there, you have no any other explanation. Thank you.